If you enable notifications in Huawei Cloud WAF, you will receive an SMS or email notification once attacks are detected or a certificate is about to expire. This video demonstrates how to enable notifications in WAF. Go to the WAF console. Choose the Notifications page. In an enterprise project, only one notification of the same notification type can be set. Configure Event Notifications. Click Create. Select Events for notification type. Enter a notification name. Select the enterprise project the notifications work for. Click View Topic and create a notification group on the SMN console. Click Create Topic. Enter a topic name. Select the enterprise project you select in WAF. And click OK. Add subscription endpoints. Set protocol to SMS or email. Endpoint to a mobile number or email address. And click OK. Return to the WAF Notifications page and select the topic created earlier. Set a threshold. WAF will send a notification when the number of attacks reaches the configured threshold. Select the event type for which you want to send alarm notifications and click Confirm. The event alarm notifications are created. Configure certificate expiration notifications. Click Create. On the displayed page, select certificate expiration for notification type. Similarly, enter a notification name. Select an enterprise project. And specify a notification group. Select when to send notifications and how often notifications are sent. Click Confirm. The certificate expiration notifications are created.